Psychology of first impressions. What do men and women look for on a date? First impressions can make or break a date, especially when it comes to romantic encounters. Whether it's a first date or just meeting someone for the first time, men and women tend to have different priorities and expectations. Have you ever wondered what really goes through someone's mind during that first impression? Did you know that within just 7 seconds, most people have already decided whether they want to see you again? Imagine this. You're on a first date, and in those initial moments, a single gesture or look can determine whether there's a spark. In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of first impressions and exploring what men and women are truly looking for on a date. By understanding these key differences, you'll be able to make a lasting first impression and improve your dating game. Let's uncover the secrets behind those first crucial moments. First impressions are formed in mere seconds, and they can have a lasting impact on how we perceive someone. Studies in psychology, such as those by Dr. Nalini Ambady, reveal that the brain makes snap judgments based on visual cues, body language, and even tone of voice. In today's fast-paced world, these snap judgments are even more critical, especially in the context of online dating, where first impressions are often based on a profile picture or a few exchanged messages. This initial evaluation can heavily influence whether we see someone as attractive, trustworthy, or someone we want to pursue a connection with. Men and women are both wired to quickly assess a potential partner based on cues that signal compatibility, attraction, and safety. For men, first impressions often focus on physical appearance, confidence, and friendliness. These traits can signal health, fertility, and openness, qualities that evolutionary psychology suggests are appealing when seeking a mate. For example, imagine a man on a first date noticing a woman's confident posture and warm smile. These signals can instantly create a positive impression. On the other hand, women tend to focus on cues of stability, emotional intelligence, and kindness. Picture a woman noticing how her date listens attentively, makes eye contact, and shows genuine curiosity. This can make her feel valued and understood. This difference in focus highlights the unique ways men and women evaluate potential partners during those crucial first moments. Men often rely on visual cues to make their initial assessments. Physical attractiveness plays a significant role, but it's not just about appearance. Men look for signs of confidence, how a woman carries herself, her smile, and even the way she interacts with others. Nonverbal communication, like eye contact and open body language, is crucial. Men are often attracted to women who seem approachable and engaging, as these qualities suggest compatibility and openness to connection. Moreover, men appreciate a positive attitude. A woman who can engage in lighthearted conversation and show a sense of humor often leaves a strong first impression. Humor is a signal of intelligence and playfulness, traits that are generally attractive to men during those first crucial moments of a date. For women, first impressions are often about assessing stability and trustworthiness. Women are more likely to pick up on nonverbal cues, such as posture, facial expressions, and gestures that indicate how a man feels about himself and others. Research by Dr. Albert Mehrabian, known for his work on nonverbal communication, supports the idea that women tend to be more sensitive to these cues, which helps them assess trustworthiness and emotional connection. For instance, subtle cues like a relaxed posture or a warm smile can immediately signal whether a person is genuine and approachable, which is crucial for building an initial sense of safety and connection. Confidence is key, but it needs to be balanced with approachability. Women are drawn to men who seem genuine, attentive, and kind. A warm smile, good eye contact, and active listening are signals that a man is worth getting to know better. Beyond nonverbal cues, women also tend to evaluate how a man treats others. Does he hold the door open? Is he courteous to the waitstaff? And does he show interest in her thoughts and opinions? These actions are subtle, but they speak volumes about a person's character and can leave a powerful impression. Women want to feel safe, respected, and heard, and they often pick up on these signals during the first interaction. Body language plays a massive role in making a positive first impression. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it, through your gestures, facial expressions, and posture. Open body language, such as uncrossed arms, relaxed shoulders, and consistent eye contact, communicates interest and confidence. For men, maintaining good posture and making deliberate, calm movements conveys confidence without appearing arrogant. For women, a friendly smile and open gestures can communicate approachability and warmth. Both genders benefit from mirroring each other's body language subtly, which creates an unconscious bond and sense of connection. For example, if your date leans in slightly, mirroring that action can help establish rapport and make the interaction feel more natural. First impressions are fragile, and small mistakes can leave a lasting negative impact. For men, being overly boastful or not showing genuine interest in the other person can be off-putting. Women might find that playing too hard to get or being overly guarded can make them appear uninterested or distant. It's important to strike a balance. Be confident, but also be yourself. Another common mistake is focusing too much on oneself instead of asking questions and actively listening. Both men and women appreciate a date who shows genuine curiosity about their life, thoughts, and feelings. Remember, a good first impression is about creating a two-way connection, not just showcasing your best qualities. Try focusing on listening more during your next date and observe how it affects the interaction. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it makes when you genuinely engage with the other person. So, how can you make sure you're creating a great first impression on a date? Here are some practical tips for both men and women. For men, show confidence, but remain humble. Use body language to convey openness, such as uncrossed arms and good posture. Be attentive, ask questions, and genuinely listen to your date. Showing kindness, not just to your date, but also to others around you, goes a long way. For women, be confident in your own skin. A warm smile and good eye contact can make you appear approachable. Use subtle but engaging body language to show interest, like leaning in slightly when your date is speaking. Don't be afraid to show your sense of humor. It's a great way to break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. First impressions matter, especially on a date. Understanding the different things men and women look for during those first crucial moments can help you create a connection that lasts. Remember, it's not just about looking good. It's about being genuine, attentive, and confident without arrogance. Whether you're meeting someone new for the first time or going on a first date, these psychological insights can help you navigate the tricky world of dating with more confidence and success. Take a moment to reflect on your own experiences. What worked well, and what could you improve for next time? Applying these insights can make a big difference in your dating life. Remember, each interaction is an opportunity to grow and learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the psychology of love, relationships, and attraction. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What are some first impressions that stood out to you on a date? Leave your comments below.